from Nigeria. Nigeria. Me, Nigeria. You like? Really?
Really?
I like Somali girls. They beautiful.
Yes.
Hug me, come. Are you single? Are you single?
Yes. Are you?
I am single for you.
I'm waiting to you.
You waiting for me? Okay, me too. I was waiting you. You're beautiful. I love your smile. Your WhatsApp number.
You are handsome.
Thank you.
You are handsome.
Thank you. WhatsApp number.
No.
What do
I
you?
don't have WhatsApp number.
What do you have?
No.
Snapchat?
My Instagram.
Okay. Manteca.
How are you?
Do you know me?
No.
Really?
You are famous?
No. I just ask you if you know me or something.
No, I don't know.
Where you from?
Somaliland.
What?
You know Somaliland?
No. Is that in Saudi Arabia?
Africa. No.
Where?
East Africa. East Africa where?
Where?
Hargeisa.
I don't understand. Explain me.
My English is...
You from Somalia?
Yes.
Somalia.
Suk akhriso.
Here, Somalia. GPS or location, Somalia.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. What's your name?
Umakhair.
What?
Umakhair.
Amakhair. I'm Alex.
Yeah?
I'm Alex. Alex.
No.
My country.
I don't understand.